India, a land of enchantment and diversity, is a captivating destination that embraces you with its vibrant colors, rich history, and cultural tapestry. From the snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas to the sun-kissed beaches of Goa, from the bustling streets of Delhi to the serene backwaters of Kerala, India offers a tapestry of experiences that will leave you spellbound. Let's begin our journey in the iconic city of Delhi, where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern influences. Explore the historic landmarks of Old Delhi, including the Red Fort and Jama Masjid, and wander through the bustling bazaars of Chandni Chowk. In New Delhi, marvel at the architectural wonders of India Gate and the grandeur of Humayun's tomb. Delhi is a vibrant mosaic of cultures, where you can savor culinary delights, witness traditional arts and crafts, and immerse yourself in the vibrant street life. Agra, home to the iconic Taj Mahal, is a testament to eternal love and architectural brilliance. Behold the majestic beauty of this marble masterpiece, as its pristine white domes glow with a mesmerizing aura. Explore the Grand Agra Fort and delve into the captivating history that surrounds these magnificent structures. The Taj Mahal's ethereal beauty at sunrise or sunset will leave an indelible mark on your soul. Travel south to the state of Rajasthan, where the legacy of royalty awaits. Jaipur, the Pink City, showcases the opulence of Rajput architecture with its magnificent forts and palaces. Visit the Amber Fort, Hawa Mahal, and City Palace, and immerse yourself in the vibrant bazaars where traditional crafts and textiles enchant visitors. Experience the hospitality of Rajasthan as you indulge in delectable Rajasthani cuisine and witness the colorful festivals that bring the desert landscape to life. In the southern part of India, Kerala offers a tranquil escape with its backwaters, lush green landscapes, and serene beaches. Cruise along the picturesque backwaters of Alleppey on a traditional houseboat, surrounded by swaying palm trees and tranquil waters. Explore the colonial charm of Kochi, with its historic Fort Kochi, Chinese fishing nets, and vibrant spice markets. Kerala is also renowned for its Ayurvedic traditions, offering rejuvenating spa experiences that harmonize the mind, body, and soul. Venture to the vibrant city of Mumbai, a melting pot of cultures, dreams, and Bollywood glamour. Explore the bustling markets of Kolaba and Crawford Market, admire the colonial architecture of the Gateway of India, and take in the stunning views from Marine Drive. Mumbai's energetic spirit, artistic scene, and culinary delights will leave you captivated. In the north, the breathtaking landscapes of the Himalayas beckon adventure seekers and spiritual seekers alike. Trek through the scenic trails of Himachal Pradesh, seek enlightenment in the spiritual town of Rishikesh, or embark on a life-changing journey to the sacred shrines of Badrinath and Kedarnath. The majestic peaks, serene monasteries, and tranquil settings of the Himalayas offer a sanctuary for inner exploration and breathtaking natural beauty. India's culinary scene is a sensory explosion, with each region boasting its own distinct flavors and specialties. From the aromatic spices of the north to the seafood delicacies of the coastal regions, from the vegetarian delights of Gujarat to the mouth-watering street food of Kolkata, India is a paradise for food lovers. As you traverse the diverse landscapes of India, you'll encounter warm smiles, vibrant festivals, and a sense of spirituality that permeates every aspect of life. From the awe-inspiring temples to the bustling markets, from the rural villages to the cosmopolitan cities, India invites you to embrace its colorful tapestry and embark on a journey of discovery.